In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a Google Drive folder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to create a new folder to house everything you want to duplicate. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to drive.google.com. Once you're on the Google Drive interface, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a big friendly New button. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose New Folder. Now it's time to name your folder. A suggestion I often use is to take the original folder's name and add Copy at the end for clarity. Just type it in, and when you're done, click on the Create button. That's the first step completed. Next, let's move on to the fun part, selecting and copying the original files from the folder you wish to duplicate. To do this, locate the original folder and give it a click to open it up. Once you're inside, you want to select all the files. If you're on a Windows computer, you can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and A together. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is Command and A. Voila! All files should now be highlighted, ready for you to copy. Now let's copy those files. With everything selected, if you're using a Windows PC, press Ctrl and C. For Mac users, it's Command and C. This action stores all the selected files in your clipboard, ready for pasting. After you've copied the files, the next step is to paste them into the new folder you just created. So head back to your My Drive by clicking on the My Drive link on the left. Once you're back in your main drive, find that new folder you just made and double-click to enter it. Once you're inside this new folder, this is where the magic happens. To paste the copied files, simply hit Ctrl and V if you're on Windows or Command and V if you're using a Mac. Just like that, all your files will begin transferring to this new location. Give it a moment to finish, especially if you have a lot of files, but soon enough, you'll see all your duplicated files neatly lined up in your new folder. And there you have it. You've successfully made a copy of a Google Drive folder. Now, all your important documents are safe and sound in a different folder, making it easy for you to manage or share the copy without affecting the original set of files. Before we wrap up, remember to double-check that all your files have copied over successfully. It's a good practice to make sure everything you need has been transferred properly. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and keep an eye out for more handy tips. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!